So today, there are more than 30,000 Alfa Laval Compabloc heat exchangers handling tough duties around the world. They play a crucial part of various applications, and therefore uptime is crucial. Our customers don't like unplanned shutdowns, they are costly, and they must be kept as minimal as short as possible. The Alfa Laval service team works hard to respond quickly and reliably to these kind of circumstances. Our comprehensive service offering is built to have different options to face these kinds of eventualities. For instance, take the emergency stock program. So emergency stock is all about peace of mind for your operations. And if you wonder how does it work, basically we keep in our factory a stock of complete blocks for different models of our Compabloc heat exchangers. We can ship these blocks in a matter of few days, and we can ship them either by air or by road. And also we send an Alfa Laval local service engineer who is able to help you with the installation and startup. Once the replacement is done, we inspect your block to find out what needs to be done, and we do the repair. That repair can be done at your site or at any of the global network of Alfa Laval service centers. After the repair is fulfilled, you can choose whether you want to put back the block into its place, or if you prefer to keep it at your stock for any further repair or shutdown activity. So why choose emergency stock? In one example, in the US, one of our customers, he had a severe issue in one of his Compablocs. And by opting for the emergency stock program, he was able to be up and running in a matter of 6 days. It all comes down to a promise, service that keeps you growing. So if anything goes wrong in the future and time is critical, just get in touch. We can help you with our emergency stock.